Can you explain the region of the volcano?
There are some plates around us which are called tectonic plates. They are always moving around. When they collide with each other, they are tilted and the formation of volcano occurs. And all these
Explain the model. What would you like to show?
This is a mini model of solar eclipse, and this is the Earth, and this is the Moon, and this is the Sun. In this model, we try to show how a solar eclipse occurs or happens. Here we have shown this is the Moon, and this is the Earth, and this is the Sun, and this is the Earth. When the Moon moves around the Earth, and it comes in between the Earth and the Sun. The Sun's light could not reach the Earth because of the Moon, and the Moon's shadow falls on the Earth. This thing is called a solar eclipse.
Okay, thank you. Rama Basis. First of all, introduce yourself.
Good morning, sir. My name is Mahin Sagib. I read in class 6. My school name is Global English Academy. And my father name is Abdul Rafi.
Tell the name of your model.
Excretory system of human.
Now explain.
Excretory system of humans, that means the kidney of humans. The blood from the body parts come through the kidney. The kidney purify the blood, and the pure blood goes through the inferior vena cava. The inferior vena cava helps to supply blood through all body parts. The waste materials comes through the ureter. The ureter helps to
Show them how it is passed.
it's passed like this,
Continue.
like that. This is the waste material that we know that it is the urine. The ureter helps to pass the urine to the urinary bladder. The urinary bladder absorb the urinary bladder यूरिन ब्लैडर जो है वो मतलब एब्जॉर्ब करके रखता है यूरिन को. जब हमको यूरिन आता है तो हम लोग जब यूरिन करते हैं तो यहाँ से वो यूरिन निकल जाता है.
Last kind of message would you like to give to the society through this model?
That how blood from urine.
Myself, Masuma. I am a student of 9th standard at Global English Academy. My father's name is Mafzullah Haq.
Tell the name of your model.
So my model is Chandrayaan 3.
Now explain.
So the word Chandrayaan means the moon vehicle. Chandrayaan 3 is the India's third moon missions launched by the ISRO. It has 3 main parts: propulsion module, and Vikram lander, and the rover Pragyan. जब चंद्रयान 2 जाता है उधर जब लैंड कराया था, प्रोपल्शन मॉड्यूल निकल के आते हैं और वहाँ से हमें वो कलेक्ट करके आता है, और रोवर प्रज्ञान ने डाटा कलेक्ट करके हमें अर्थ पे भेजता है.
Okay, thank you.
Wait a minute, sir.
Last minute. Okay. Maria. Okay.
Yes.
Introduce yourself.
My name is Samina from class 7.
Look at the camera.
My name is Samina from class 7. This is a model of pollution. There is 3 kinds of pollution. They are water pollution, land pollution, and air pollution. All pollution are caused in this factory. In water pollution, land pollution, air pollution. The liquid chemicals are thrown here, and the solid chemicals are thrown here, and the poisonic gas burns from here.
Okay, thank you. First of all, introduce yourself.
My name is Junaid Ahmed from class 8. My school name is Global English Academy. And
Name of your model. What is the name of your model?
I built Newton's hurdle.
Now in details.
Based on Newton's third law, Newton's third law said that every action has equal and opposite reactions. And when I lift one ball at the end and release it strikes the other ball, which get a pressure that creates a force, and the last ball swings back. And the last ball swings back, repeating the effect in its opposite directions. Thus, the demonstrate further conservation of momentum and energy.
Okay. Short introduction.
My name is Farhad Hussain. Today is 26 January. My school name is Weber English Academy. From class 4.
Tell the name of your model.
This is a authentication model. There are 4 steps. In the first step, you have to use a glass of stone. In the second step, you have to use a glass of charcoal. In the third step, you have to use a glass of sand. And the last step, you have to last cotton. If you put dirty water in the first step, glass impurities like lead, plastic, etc. And the second step, charcoal will remove bad smell from water. To the third step, sand will remove out filter, fine, dirt and suspended particles. At last, water to the last cotton will remove very water suspended particles from our water look clean. They can purify water for our use.
Okay, thank you.